Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel for the very first time. I just made a new hair all by myself. Okay, this is going to be a very short video, as you can see already. This is going to be a tutorial video on how I made these braids. I'm going to be flicking this hair a lot because I'm proud of myself. Before we even start the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And let's get started. Okay, so I was kind of shy to make this video in front of my friends because I'm usually shy to make videos when other people are around. But anywho, I'm using a styling hair wax and a long tail comb to divide my hair into sections. I wanted to use the wax so that my hair can stay in place and after dividing it and like braiding it. I then combed out the ends of my hair because that place is usually very tangled, and then went ahead to like braid it first and then twist. But just so you know, I ended up losing the twist and braiding it normally because of the size. The twists were just way too big for it. I'm not going to lie, the pattern wasn't too neat. You're going to see that later, but my eyes are not at the back of my head, so just ignore whatever you see, Sha. Then I got 2 packs of Kinky braid extensions. This one is a darker shade of brown and this is a lighter color. Wait, let me hold up the two so you can see the difference. Yeah, that's the difference. This one is darker, this one is lighter. At this point I already gone fouled the hair, but just so you know, I was dividing the hair because the extension bundle was too big for one braid on my own hair. Then I'll also be using a crochet pin. You can get this for like as cheap as 500 naira or 300 naira depending. You can see that I already lose the twist and made it into a braid at this point. So all you have to do is just to pass the crochet pin through the roots of your hair and just hook the kinky extensions on the pin and pass it through that place. It's as simple as that. Pass it through there and let only one side pass through completely. That way, you see what I just did there? Yeah, exactly. So I separated it again. I took a smaller section and took it round my head just so that it can feel secure and in place. Just so that it feels a little tighter, I guess. That was what I did. Then I'm going to take the 2 parts I divided into 2 initially and wrap one end around my head just so that I can tuck my hair in and my hair doesn't show, since the color of the braid does not match the color of my hair. I guess you can twist it normally if you are not using a different color, a color that is different from the color of your original hair. Then you take the other part and just twist your hair as you normally would twist your hair. I didn't really tuck my hair in properly, so I'm just going to redo that part. Okay, so I redid that part and I'm just going to keep on twisting the hair till I get to the very end. And that's it. It's very simple actually. But I'm going to repeat one more so that you can see it again. At this point, I was sweating upon the fan was on and my hands were aching, but it was coming out all good, so you know. Okay, so I'm going to do this next one with a lighter color. It's basically just the same process all over again. Remember, the first step is to pass the crochet pin through the roots of your hair. Then you take the extensions, hook it on the crochet pin and pass it through, dragging only one side of it all the way through. Remember, this part is purely optional, but I took a separate part of it and turned it around my head just for it to be in place, and feel secure. Then I'll be taking one end and twisting it around my own natural hair just so that I can properly tuck in my hair. Then you go ahead to twist your hair like you normally would. As easy as that. I so much love adding accessories to my hair, and I decided to add cowries to it because I felt like that's the kind of vibe the hair was giving. And really, that's it, you guys. Look how beautiful the hair looks. Oh my god, I really like the fact that this was my first try and it looks this amazing. So yeah, that's basically it, you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.